Hi guys, welcome to Tutorial Thursday. Last week I mentioned in my top 5 favorite tools video Canva.com. So this tutorial is all about showing you how to use Canva.com, and once you get the hang of things you can create as many banners and social media posts as you like. So let's get into the tutorial. So this is a very quick review of all the things you can do in Canva above here. Once I click the more button, it will show even more things that you can be creative with. If you wanted to create something of a specific size, you go ahead and put the sizing in here, choose what measurements you'd like to use, and then click design. Down here it shows you that every design you create will be saved for you to go back to. So you can always go back to it, edit it, and download it again. So here is a quick overview of all the different things that you can do in Canva. So there's social media, documents, blogging, and ebooks. I created my very first ebook using Canva. Social media, email headers, events, and ads. So this is the ad banner that we're going to be working on today, and this is the opposite version of that. So let's get into it. So firstly, we'll have a look at the different designs that you can go with. These are the layouts that they have in Canva. Scroll down and show you guys. If you notice, some of these have a $sign, and that means it will cost $1 to use that layout. These are just showing the different kind of tools that they have available for you to use if you wanted to be a little bit more creative. So for illustrations, you just click on illustration, scroll down, and it will load all the different illustration images that they have in there for you to use. Then here is me playing about with the background. So you can change the background color to anything you want. You can upload an image if you wanted to as well, to be in the background. So you don't have to use all the images that they have in here. If you have a specific image that you're happy with using, like this one for instance, you can go ahead and use that. This one will definitely charge you $1 to use. Right, so let's get straight into it. Let's see what one we'll go for. We'll go for this as an example. So first thing I want to do is change what it says. Free blogging class. So if that's the kind of ad you wanted to have on, you could go ahead and do that. It's very easy to move around as well. Once you've written in your text, you can drag it anywhere, rotate it if you wanted to. I'm just going to change the font. And then stretch that so it goes on one line. I won't be using this, so I'll just go ahead and delete that. So next I want to change the background. Click on the plus. You can then choose from an array of different colors. I'm liking the orange look at the moment for this specific ad banner. You can use this now to then make it a deeper color, or go back to make it a lighter color. I like this shade here. Let's move this around a little bit. Yeah, that looks perfect. There you go. So next thing I want to do is add some form of graphics to this. So I'm thinking maybe an arrow. So you can type in the search bar arrows, and then you can choose from all the free arrows that they have, or if you this one looks really good. So I'll just move this over. So it's very simple to drag anything that you've popped in. You can rotate it as well to whatever angle you need. You can go ahead also and change the color of this. So I'm going to go over green for now. So I'm going to go over blue for now. You can stretch this on all the way out, so it doesn't have to remain exactly within the banner itself. If you wanted it to have this sort of look, you could do that very easily by stretching it on the outside, and then come in here and choose a smaller header. So the subheading, I'll change the font so it matches very well, so it's consistent. So this will be my call to action to tell my reader to book. Click here and book, basically. You can go ahead and change the color of the text if you wanted to. I like this orange theme that's going on here. So I'm going to change this so it matches the blue there. And there we go. So now you can kind of tweak and move things around if you like until you're happy. Just drag this down a little bit. There you go. And now what I'll do is click here, make sure everything's saved before I go ahead and click download. Once you go into download, you'll be able to choose what format you want to download your image in. And because it's an ad banner that will be going on your website, I would go with the web version. So we're all done. I hope you found this tutorial very helpful. If you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below and I'll get back to you. And I'll see you guys next week with another tutorial Thursday. Bye.